Penang, a Malaysian state that is popular among tourists and locals, houses over 1.7 million people and is also home to Southeast Asia's largest single-shaft combined cycle power plant, TNB Perai, which was set up by local electric utility corporation, Tenaga Nasional Berhad.
Siemens is proud to be TNB's partner of choice for state-of-the-art power solutions for Perai and from past years. The Connaught Bridge power plant was one of the first E-Class turbines to be installed for both Siemens and TNB. Fast forward to 2013, TNB has added 2 Siemens H-Class gas turbines here at Perai to their overall fleet, and we are exceptionally delighted to have delivered and commissioned them.
This was the first dual-fuel 50 Hz 8000H technology which TNB has incorporated into its portfolio of gas turbines, and also the first single-shaft combined cycle power plant for TNB in Malaysia.
Since the start of commercial operation in February 2016, TNB Perai has been the biggest single-shaft combined cycle power plant in Southeast Asia. The installed capacity is 1071 megawatt and it is the first in Malaysia reaching 60% efficiency. In 2017, TNB Perai has generated over 7,000 gigawatt hours of electricity, close to 6% of Malaysia's total generation, powering 2.2 million households.
With all this power comes great responsibility, as the pace of Malaysia's growth hinges on reliable and clean energy supply to support continued development.
In order to keep the plant availability and performance on a high level, TNB has requested that Siemens supplies on-site expertise to support a joint development of plant operations and digital monitoring methods. A representative from the Siemens Operations and Maintenance team and the Power Diagnostics Center were delegated to TNB Perai Power Station in order to work closely on a full-time basis with the customer over a 2-year period.
Behind this close collaboration is a layer of detailed predictive and prescriptive methods of maintenance which Siemens field engineers adopt to keep plant availability and performance on a high level.
Based on Siemens O&M fleet experience, the plant was examined for a main performance driver and their resulting impact. A digital twin of a typical reference power plant, similar to Perai, was used to calculate the efficiency impact. Using this information and the price-specific operating regime, fuel savings were calculated to support the business case for the customer.
Based on the gained plant-specific information and evaluation results, the Siemens Power Diagnostics Center enabled performance monitoring services which provide a foundation for continuous plant performance optimization.
Having resident engineers from the Operation and Maintenance Organization and the Power Diagnostic Center as part of our team has provided 24/7 support throughout. With the remote monitoring from the Power Diagnostic Center linked to Siemens Engineering, we feel our assets, reliability and availability are very well taken care of. The success of TNB Memaco is a great testimony of co-creation between the customer and the OEM for joint success.
This extensive collaboration with the customer on plant optimization has provided valuable insights for Siemens designing the next generation of gas turbines, the HL-Class. This new gas turbine is an evolutionary development step from our proven H-Class design, having the same engine architecture. This proven design here creates trust. It is a cornerstone for the future success of the HL-Class, as Siemens unites the best from past experience with new technologies with the latest O&M experience enabled by digital products. It has confirmed Siemens' leadership in large air-cooled gas turbines and has shown that we can push efficiency and operation flexibility even further.